Hello friends, welcome to this video. Now in this video we'll be talking about another type of scatter chart which is known as scatter chart with smooth lines. First of all, what is the scatter chart with smooth lines? The purpose is to show the overall pattern rather than the exact values. So it will not go through all the points, the line, but it will show you the overall pattern in the scatter chart. What is this scatter chart with smooth lines? It uses the curved lines, or you can say the smooth lines, to connect the data points. What are the uses? It is showing the overall patterns and the gradual changes. So we are not going with the exact data points, but it is showing you the what is the overall pattern and what are the changes which are taking place within the data points. It is mostly used for the financial trends in the scientific modeling, and it is also used for the visual storytelling, not precise analysis, but in general, if you want to analyze the data, then we can use this kind of scatter chart. What are the advantages? It is visually appealing, and also it highlights the general trend very clearly. What are the disadvantages? It can distort the actual data values, so it will not go through all the actual values, but it will give you the general trend, so it will not be showing you the actual data set. It is not suitable for the precise data interpretation. So whenever you want to have the precise interpretation, then you have to go for the scatter chart with straight line or scatter chart with straight line and markers. But if you want to get a general overview, then definitely you can use this scatter chart with smooth lines. Now let us create the scatter chart with smooth lines. So here we are having the data, that is the speed, which is available in kilometer per hour, and plus we are also having the fuel efficiency, which is in kilometer per liter. So let us select this whole data. We go to the insert tab. In the insert tab, I click the same button, scatter chart. In the scatter chart, I have to now click this option, that is scatter with smooth lines. So I select this option, scatter with smooth line, and now our scatter chart with smooth line is ready. So here overall I can see that if the speed is increasing, okay, till at least let's say 60 kilometer per hour, if you are trying to drive the vehicle, then the fuel efficiency will be very high. But if you are driving more than 60 kilometer per hour, then your fuel efficiency will decrease. So this is what we can do the analysis. Now see, parallelly what we'll do, that we will select this data and then we will create the scatter chart with straight lines. So I go to the insert tab, I click this scatter chart button, and now let me select this one. You can see that this is the scatter chart with straight lines, so it is going through all the individual data points, but here you can see that the line is very smooth. So if you want to have a precise information or precise interpretation, then you have to go for this scatter chart with straight lines. And if you want to have an overall trend, if you want to just analyze the overall trend, then you have to use this scatter chart with the smooth lines. Now in the next video, we'll be talking about the scatter chart with smooth lines and markers. So see you then in the next video. Thank you very much.